Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Gmail account to a premium version quickly and easily. With a premium account, you'll gain access to additional storage, expert support, family sharing, and other enhanced features that make managing your emails and Google services even smoother. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're at your inbox, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to see a menu of various Google services. Scroll through the menu until you find Google One. Google One is essentially the hub for premium Google services, including storage upgrades and additional perks. Click on Google One to open its homepage. Here you'll find a section for plans. Click on the Plans button to explore the available subscription options. Among these options, you'll see the Premium plan. This plan provides more storage along with features like priority support and the ability to share your plan with family members. Select the Premium plan to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose between a monthly or annual subscription. Consider which option works best for your needs. An annual plan can save you money in the long run if you plan to use premium features consistently. After selecting your subscription type, click Continue. You'll now see Google's terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through this document so you fully understand what you're agreeing to. If everything looks good, check the box to accept the terms. Then select your preferred payment method. Google supports several options, including credit cards and PayPal. After entering your payment details, click the subscribe button to finalize the upgrade. And just like that, your Gmail account is now upgraded to premium. You'll immediately have access to expanded storage, enhanced support, and other benefits across Google services linked to your account. Upgrading to premium is an easy way to boost your productivity, keep your emails organized, and enjoy a better Google experience overall. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides to get the most out of your digital tools.